What's going on, everyone? This is Dom, and today we are getting into the best cases and accessories for the Galaxy S22 and S22 Ultra, at least my favorites at this point in time, and I will leave links to everything down in the description for you in case you want to pick up any of these for yourself. I got a wide variety of cases and accessories to go through, so without any further delay, let's get started. First up, I'm going to show you some limited edition cases from GhostTech, and a big shout out to them for sponsoring the video. I actually love GhostTech. I will vouch for them any day of the week. They make great cases for all sorts of smartphones, but they sent me some cases to show you guys, so I figured I'd put these special limited edition ones up front here. I believe they're limited to 100, I want to say, so be sure to click the link in the description below if you want to grab these right now for yourself. But first up, we have the Atomic Slim. Oh my goodness, look at how pretty that case is. That is like looking pretty fresh right there. I actually really do dig this a lot. 80 out of 100. It's a numbered piece right there with a little card in there. It's been manufactured for the Galaxy S22. And so these are actually selling out like pretty quick. Now we do also have the Covert here. This one, look at this. So obviously this case has a very clear back to it. Now this teal color here is what is limited. They actually only made 100 of this colorway, and there are other colorways that they only had 100 of as well. This one's gonna provide some pretty good drop protection as well, and we do have some raised edge action there, so you can kind of lay it flat on a table and not have to worry about breaking it. All right, so next up we have some wallet cases here for the S22 and S22 Ultra, and you can see that this is called the Exec. So we have a kind of a nice executive look and feel here. So as you can see here, I have it on the phone, and it does add a little bit of bulk here, but that is on purpose. First off, it's gonna protect your phone. We do have a little hole here for the S Pen, and you can see on the back that we have a little wallet part here that is attached to the case. Now the cool thing about this case is that you can actually twist this off. So you can have this wallet free flowing in your pocket if you need to, and it has a little lip right here that's actually going to keep everything inside of the wallet case so you don't lose your cards or anything. And then to put it back on, it's really simple. You just take it and you swirl it back in there just like that. It kind of locks in place and it ain't going nowhere. It's made out of a tougher plastic as well. I really do like the Exec, and as you can see here, it's available for the S22 and the S22 Ultra. I actually like it better in terms of form factor on the smaller phone, but I don't know, let me know what you think. Next, for the S22 and S22 Ultra, so we have the Nautical Slim and the regular Nautical here. So the really cool thing about the Nautical Slim and the standard Nautical case here from GhostTech is the fact that it fully encases your phone. So even if you don't need water protection, you got dust protection, you got sand protection, you got pretty much whatever protection you want, because there are screen protectors on both sides, or protectors, I guess I should say, and it's a sealed case. Now, the cool thing is that the fingerprint sensor can still work with this phone right here, as you can see. With the regular Nautical case here, you do have a big belt clip there, but this is a thick case, y'all, and you do have a little opening here for the S Pen, which you can seal up shut, and for the charging port as well. I mean, you really can't go wrong. If you want to keep your phone safe, these are probably going to protect the hell out of them. Oh, and if you do want to save yourself like 20% on any of those GhostTech cases, definitely click the link down below to do so. There's a special offer for you there. Next up, we are talking about chargers, and this is kind of universal between these two, but right here I have a couple of 20-watt chargers. Well, the SUP case one right here is actually 18 watts, and you can see it's a pretty slim profile here. We got USB-C on that side. It has a SUP case right there. 18-watt charging with this guy, or we have one from Basis right here, which does 20-watt charging. Now, this is a bit of a thicker boy right here, but I do like that the prong folds up, so that's pretty nice as well. But either of these options are gonna be good to pick up in case you need like an actual wall charger these days. Coming up next, I got some stuff from Spec here, and you know Spec, they've been in the game for a long time doing this thing, and I have some of their Presidio lineup here with, first up, the Presidio Clear with glitter. If you like glitter, this case is definitely for you. It is super glittery, but they're really rugged cases. Like, they're not your typical flimsy like TPU cases. They have rigidity to them, and you can see actually that glitter, hard to see on camera, but looks really nice on this rose gold colored phone right here. I actually really do dig that. And then of course, I mean, we do have, like, if you want a regular colored case, we have the Presidio grip. I like the grip because obviously grip. You know, that makes a lot of sense in the naming convention there. But these are also available for the S22 Ultra and vice versa with the ones that I'm gonna show you on the Ultra here. But obviously, I mean, like I said, they've been in the game for a long time, Spec doing their thing, and they're just clean. Like, they have a nice rubbery finish to them. You know all about Spec, I'm sure you do. But we have the Presidio Perfect Mist right here. Now this is one of my favorite kind of cases simply because it has like this rubberized texture on it. Got a rubberized texture over a hard plastic. And of course we have openings for everything on the bottom and the top, and the side buttons right here are nice and protected. And I just think that this case looks clean, especially with the muted like burgundy color that we have there for the Ultra. I do have one more, probably one of my favorites, and it just does a gradient from this like pink color all the way up to a clear. Now you might think putting that on a darker phone not gonna do much, but I shall prove you wrong, because you can see how it gradients the phone just slightly. Like, I mean, it's not even that crazy, but this is the ombre colored version of the Presidio Perfect Clear right here. And I just think it looks sweet, especially on the front, how you can see that, you know, kind of fade going up to clear right there. I don't know, I think it looks sweet. Presidio's been in the game for a long time, and I'll leave links to these cases in the description. Coming up next, I have some headphones here for you, 3 different kinds, 2 from Samsung, 1 from Beats. Okay, I have to say though, okay, these are the Galaxy Buds Pro, and they're pretty sweet. Like, I do like the form factor and everything, and we have the little ear tips on them as well, and they fit pretty comfortably in your ear. Really low profile, as you can see. They have active noise cancellation, transparency mode, things like that. But my favorite out of the Galaxy Buds stuff are these OGs, the Galaxy Buds Live. And I might be in the minority by liking these as much as I do, but I use these in my motorcycle helmet all the time because they literally just disappear in your ear. They're so low profile that it's easy to slip my helmet on over that, and I know that's a very niche thing, but I actually do like the sound quality as well. The active noise cancellation isn't on the best side of things, but it does work good enough, and they do have transparency mode as well, which is super helpful for me. But these are also a lot cheaper because they've been out for a while. We have the older Galaxy Buds Pro here, but I love the Beats Fit. Now, these have a little wing there, and they will stay in your ears no matter what. They also have active noise cancellation and transparency mode, and they sound really freaking good. Like, these are like AirPods Pro on steroids, at least in my opinion. I love them way more than my AirPods Pro, but that's just my humble opinion here. I think that the Beats Fit Pro are great. All 3 of these are really excellent headphone choices if you're looking for something for your S22, your S22 Ultra, anything like that. But personally, I'd recommend the Beats all day long, with a close runner-up being the Samsung Galaxy Buds Live. Next up, I have some cases from Rinky, and I always plug them in all my case videos because they make really affordable stuff, and they have a billion different colors for all devices basically. But first thing we have here is a very clear wallet case, and it's kind of like pretty minimal. I mean, it's not gonna provide you a lot of drop protection, but we do have this wallet here that you can kind of slide in a couple of cards into that little slot right there, and you have a part to push it out with your finger if you need to. But this case just kind of retains the basic form factor of the Ultra. You have openings for everything, obviously. I mean, wouldn't that be stupid if a case company made a case that didn't have like an opening for the S Pen? Yeah, so they all have the openings. Let's just get that out of the way. But I like it because it's really super duper clear. Like, look at that, so clear, and it just kind of keeps, you know, it doesn't add too much bulk, but offers scratch protection, which is definitely important. Now, this one is going to be a little more rugged for the S22, and by the way, you can get these for either device. I will link a bunch of Rinky cases in the description for you, but look at this guy right here. So this adds some drop protection because we have these raised corners right here that will definitely, like, you know, take a beating if you drop it on the corner or anything. We do have a raised lip right here as well, so you got some lay on the table action for that. And I think that this case is, while it's minimal, it's very clean. Very super crystal clear back right there. And then we have this nice black border around it. Very simple stuff. Like I said, Rinky makes some simple cases, but I did almost forget a pretty boss status. Like if you are a literal boss at your job, I feel like you need this. This is a folio case for the S22 Ultra. You can see Rinky folio signature right here. But again, like I said, if you are an actual boss, I think you might need this case. And I do like that it has like a little, like, I feel like I'm gonna like do something important with my hand through this strap right here. But if you're, you know, holding it like this so you can write down, maybe you're just like writing and walking or something like that, this is a pretty good case to do that. And you have a little slot right here that you can put stuff in. Look at that. You have a couple of pockets in there. You can put some cards up in that. You can put your checkbook. I don't know, something bosses put in their wallets, you should put in that. But I really do like this leather strap here, and I mean, it's just a clean looking case. Coming up next for the S22 and the Ultra, I have some stuff from Encased. And Encased is kind of like Rinky, but they make much more rugged cases at a more affordable price. Now look at this case. This is like triple C thick, and slap that on the phone here. It's definitely giving you a lot of coverage on this whole thing, and it's really rugged. Like we have a hard plastic back here, and everything is really thick along the outside edges. I actually like this case personally just because it feels like I can knock somebody out with it, like right across the face. It just feels really super rugged, and this one actually has more of a rubbery back but more solid sides. But we do have stuff for the Ultra as well, which does the same. Now look at this. This right here, it's double layered. So we have a plastic inner layer and a rubber outer layer, and it even has a kickstand on the back right there as well, which I thought was pretty useful. So this one from Encased is definitely more of a dual layer case, and once you get your phone in there, it's kind of like a contraption. Like it's definitely like not going anywhere, but it has much more raised edges on it, and it kind of almost takes away the like curvy edge of the Ultra here, which I actually kind of like. Because it kind of leaves you less wiggle room to break something. And so it has a hard plastic inner shell and this like hard rubber outer shell. And then of course, like I said, you have the stand there, which you can use to stand it up. I mean, you could even use it to just hold your phone like as you're using it like that, which is pretty nice. I always find these little things on the back of the phones, like pop sockets or anything like this, to be super freaking useful. But that's Encased, and like I said, they make a lot of rugged cases that are gonna be on the more inexpensive side, comparatively speaking anyway, so definitely check them out. So that about wraps it up for my favorite cases and accessories for the Galaxy S22 and the S22 Ultra. I think that they're all pretty great, and they're all coming in at different price points, so definitely check out the links down below in the description if you want to pick up anything that I mentioned for yourself. Like I said, huge shout out to GhostTech for sponsoring this video, and if you want to get 20% off of your purchase over there at GhostTech's website, definitely click that link below, enter your email, and you'll be all set to go. But let me know which ones are your favorite down in the comment section below. If there's anything that I missed that you think that I should deeply know about, please do that. And if you enjoyed this video, hit the thumbs up button, and if you didn't like it, hit the thumbs down button twice, because then YouTube knows how much you hated it. You definitely want to be sure to do that. Also, subscribe to the channel if you're new around here. Don't forget to hit the notification bell, and I really do appreciate all of the support, everyone. It means the world to me, so let me know your favorites. Thanks again for watching. Once again, this is Dom, and I will catch you in the next video.